Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna make a volcano. Okay, first things first, you're gonna need something to put in. Baking soda and this. Mio, I see. Yeah, you could get strawberry, any kind of these. You just have to get this. At the end, we're gonna see what it did. Okay, you're gonna have to get 1 teaspoon. You're gonna get 3 teaspoons of it. Sorry, that was just my new sheet. 3 teaspoons.
It's like cold.
Wait. Okay. Okay, you have this enough. I'm gonna put the baking soda away. And you want to do this in the bathroom because you don't know if you might get in trouble if you have carpets. Yeah, you could actually get in trouble if you do it on the floor. Okay, ready, set, go. Wait, ready, set, go. Awesome, right? Awesome. A volcano. The most satisfying. It looks like a satisfying video. You know what I'm talking about?
My goodness!
That's my sister. Oh my gosh. It looks like real blood.
It's
How
like
cute is this? I'm gonna put y'all. Look at that. It actually looks like slime, but it's actually not slime. It's actually a volcano. Taking out blood from killing people. Okay, at the end, we're gonna, right now, we said we were gonna see what it did at the end. Let's gonna check. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, don't touch it. It came like a little orangey, little sand. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. I like it. I don't love it. I like it.
so like this.
Well, this was all of the video from today. And right now, I'm putting more baking soda from the bottom to the one that I have chopped. No toques. That means don't touch.
And
I'm still pouring it out. There's a lot more that chopped up.
it's gonna get sound on day. And that's so there's
I know how to be okay.
this is hard now. And just go it's like there's cow and big cake and those are say okay.
Leave this alone, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're done with this video.
If you get cat and day.